I'm Pid'or, and the following is an extract from the Hate play. This performance is of the epilogue, which is presented by the facilitator in the piece. Ip, dip, dog, poo. Who's it, not you? Well done, lucky you. We will choose you. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who will stay and who will go? Who'll be small and who will grow? Who'll be fast and who'll be slow? Who'll be the object of this blow? Who will see and who will know? Stats say that it's predominantly a youth offence, hate crime. If so, then these are serious times. Under 18s are 33% of known offenders of hate crimes. Yes, it appears that these are serious real times. There's a place, a place beyond text and being vexed. A place beyond status updates and mates rates, beyond BBM and adding friends and YouTube hits and defending your ends. A place deep inside where you know what's right, where you don't have the right to upset other people's lives. Some say it's minor stuff. It teaches you to toughen up. Bullies get bored once they've had enough. Having a laugh's just part of growing up. Or having a laugh can be just the start of a dark and murky path of harassment, intimidation, or even attempted murder. A crime's a crime though you didn't mean to hurt her or you didn't touch him. It's a crime to be hating. I'm not faking. It's called a hate crime. Hating on someone because of what they look like, what they sound like, who they like, or just because you don't like. But the good news is we can all make changes. We can all change and rearrange the picture, write new pages. Support those who bear the brunt of hate. Tell someone, make a stand, or just be a better mate. I don't walk in your shoes, but I know you have the power to choose. So when hate shows up, there's a lot you can do. What will you do?